Surrey and Sussex. Welcome to 21 Spring Gardens.
Now we've seen some of the surrounding areas, let's take a look inside the property. As we enter the front door to your new family home, we go left into the kitchen, finished with beautiful white cabinetry and stunning black countertops. This beautiful modern kitchen will make for the ideal family gathering and special occasion. Next, we come through the conservatory onto the rear patio, leading onto the garden. The rear garden is southwest facing and provides plenty of privacy. Now, one of the standout features of this property is the living room and its bifold doors, which opens up the entirety of the back wall, allowing all that sunlight just to flood in. Heading upstairs, we find 4 beautiful double bedrooms and 1 family bathroom. Each of the 4 bedrooms has their own built-in wardrobes. It's important to note at this time that this property has 2 double garages as well, with planning permission to extend over one of the garages. This creates an additional room and allows for more space for the family. So that's it for 21 Spring Gardens. Let's head back downstairs to see the living room and the kitchen one more time. And thank you for joining us on this short property tour.